ki khubor ka batisi TV. Lawan ra ashapi dak Orange Nissan looms hop ho near Fabricate Shillong, ringkat bat ka M Crown Hotel Kandailat Shillong, ka Three Olives Restaurant, bala Plie nakbantaban Shakriya P, hapo ka jingada jong ka Bio Bubble Antivirus Coating, ringkat ka Cosmic Kingdom, ka Ïalehkai bapaw ha Shillong, bala yada na ka Bio Bubble Antivirus Coating, bala le da ka Meva Enterprise.
Komisi benta jong ka jing kentiau bat jing penyar ya ki kam Ïalehkai sport haga jela bat hakarihi. Myntri Khynnah katanat Sports and Youth Affairs jong ka ri u Kiran Rijiju haga singin kong jong snem bat mai kata ka Sautarik u kelalengkot arjar arpuai ula Plie ya ka Ïalehkai sport ya ka balatip kum ka synthetic athletic track and field bat ka synthetic football ground ha Sports Authority of India Training Center Nehu Campus Shillong. Habakren ha kajing ilang Plie ya kani kajaka Myntri Kiran Rijiju la ong baki jela jong kani kathain chetei lamingi ki don shibun ki riu don sap ha kani ka kam Ïalehkai sport ki bala bania kot kerdan bat ki wei hagari bat war ha ka perthei hi barok ka wei. Kumta kalong ka badon kam ban pun slur bat aimen CM ya ki bagian pendon kampura ya ka sap ka baki don ha kani ka phang. Kani ka jaka kalapan long ka way na ki jaka hikai kum ka Center of Excellence hakabaki nong Ïalehkai na ki way ki jala ki laru ban wan pentebet yaladi nakabanta ki babun ki jingyakun. Hagani ka sngi idon lang ru ka Deputy Commissioner jo ka East Khynnah Hills District ka kong Isawanda lalu ka Director of Sports and Youth Affairs Meghalaya ka kong WAM Booth u Superintendent of Police jo ka East Khynnah Hills District u ba Sylvester Nongtenger u Regional Director jong ka Sai Northeastern Region u Subhash Basumatri bat kiwe.
So Meghalaya and whole of Northeast has a huge potential. We have seen some of the very international level players from this region, but due to lack of proper training and maybe more than that, we don't have proper scouting of talent at a young age. So we are unable to really realize the potential. But I have set a very clear target that by 2028 Olympics, India should be there in the top 10. Now for that, we will have to give lots of emphasis on the scouting of young talents. And we can see a very good contribution from Northeastern region. The 8 states in Northeast can really contribute 25-30% of the total medalists for the India in Olympics. So as the society moves ahead, as the society progresses, the sporting activities will automatically grow more and more because it's a huge industry. The amount of employment the sports industry generates, from the manufacturing of sporting goods to the event management, event organization, tournament, it's a huge industry. It generates not only employment but very, very high level of revenue generation through the sports. Sports is one of the largest industry. If you see in the developed countries, it's a huge industry. And wherever country progresses more, their progress in sports also proportionately increases because that is the sign of human progress. Sporting activities, adventure activities, these are sign of human progress. The more society progresses, the more you will see more activities in sports and adventure. Northeast is gifted in that sense, and Meghalaya is one of the finest locations in India, not only in Northeast. The entire this plateau from Shillong right up to far away Bangladesh border and towards eastern and western side, it's an amazing land. I'm also trying to grant some more funds from my other ministry, Ministry of Minority Affairs. I have granted certain amount already. But I am looking forward. I have told my secretary to approve more schemes for sports from Ministry of Minority Affairs. From the Youth Affairs and Sports, we will be doing more. But I want to use from the other ministry also. And we have included sports in the NEC. So NEC also can sanction money for the sports and adventure. It was not there, but I had insisted that it must be there because youth and sports activities is crucial for any society. So NEC also must do certain funding for creation of sports infrastructure. Come closer. Yes, yes. Sir. Sir, yes, See the facility which you are seeing. This is a AstroTurf football ground being inaugurated, and another one is the athletic track. Both are going to be very important because this science center in Shillong has some of the important sports disciplines, and football and athletics are also part of it. So these new facilities will ensure that this particular center will come up as a very good center of excellence. I want to convert this particular center as one of the finest side training center, which can be a hub for higher altitude training center. Many players from other centers also can come here for acclimatization, say for a month or 2 months to get acclimatized for the higher altitude training center. And also for the permanent trainees here, we want to enhance the quality. Now we have some coaches are here, but I feel that the numbers of coaches are not enough. So I'll see that whatever is necessary, we will enhance the capacity. Because in the SAI, we are recruiting more coaches. I have changed certain norms. Now assistant coaches, then coaches, senior coaches, and the high performance directors. So we have 4 categories for the recruitment. We will be having more people, high standard coaches to be recruited, and with that we will have a sufficient numbers of things. Because if you have a lack of coaches, then the center cannot improve, because the trainees are totally dependent on the training, and the training is totally dependent on the coaches. The quality coaches are very necessary. In terms of other infrastructure support, we will try to ensure that the whatever facilities are here, it should be maintained and improved, and if additional things are necessary, we will do it. We want to create Northeast as a great sporting region, because Northeast people are very talented, especially in the lighter category. In the light body category, Northeast people are very agile, very fast, very strong. So we have a long vision for India's sporting career, and Northeast will have a very good share of contribution in our quest to make India a sporting nation. National Games, as a minister, I can assure full help, complete support from my ministry. But National Games are organized by Indian Olympic Association. Now we have issues with the Goa. The Goa could not host the event due to pandemic. Initially it was delayed due to some other reason. Due to some reason it could not be conducted, and later on when we were ready, then the COVID had a problem for all of us. So I don't know if Goa can have National Games this year. So next year becomes too close. So that is how the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Conrad Sangma, had a discussion with me and other people in the Indian Olympic Association. So the Chief Minister is very keen. Conrad Sangma is a sports lover. He is very keen. But I hope the circumstances also favors, so that we can have the National Games in 2022 in Shillong or say in Meghalaya.